Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
I'm sure you've heard the tuna talk. Plain, safe, boring. Time to upgrade. Everything bagel tuna salad to the rescue. Start with flaky canned tuna. Drain and flake. Mix mayo into the tuna for creamy balance. Add Greek-style yogurt for extra creamy balance. Stir in a spoon of Dijon for a tangy hit. Squeeze lemon for bright zing. Add chopped celery for crunch. Add red onion for sharp crunch. Stir in a tablespoon of capers for briny pops. Hit it with everything bagel seasoning. Sprinkle like you mean it. Fold gently. Taste, then season with salt and pepper. Eat it on toast. Pile it on mixed greens. Tuck it into a sandwich for an easy protein-packed meal. Prep in 5 minutes. Keeps well for lunches all week. Tasty, practical, totally sandwich worth.
I always start with the freshest basil I can find, and of course, a good quality Marsala wine is essential for that rich flavor profile.
Popular Mediterranean street foods include falafel, shawarma, souvlaki, gyros, and various kebabs.
The day starts simple. A sunrise, a blue sea, a table full of color. This is the Mediterranean diet. More than a menu, it's a lifestyle. I'm going to show you why this way of eating has captured the world's attention and how it can change yours.